So before we will do the procedure, I will wash my hands so that we will have a good hygiene so that we will avoid contamination. And now we will go to the patient room and I will lock the door and I'm in and I will introduce myself to a patient. Good afternoon, sir. I'm Nurse Kit. For today, we will be doing the positioning and transferring the patient to a wheelchair. Is that okay for you, sir? Okay. So now we will now proceed to the first procedure, which is the lateral position. So the patient is assuming that um, he will be slightly side. Okay. Then we will put pillow be, in both feet of the patient. Then the other pillow in the right hand of the patient to secure the gesture. And then the last pillow, we will put this last pillow to the back of the patient to maintain the good posture and the circulation of the blood. Okay. So that is the lateral position. And now we will do the lateral modified position in which the patient will turn his side a little up. Yeah, that. Then slightly backward here. Okay. This position seems to be comfortable to the other patient because they feel smoothly in the bed and they can't even feel the pressure. Okay. And so now as you can see the patient is in a prone position and now we will do the prone position of the patient. First of all, I will be put this pillow during the both feet of the patient anteriorly so that the both foot fingertips of the patient is not in pressure. And the other one here is I will put the other pillow to the abdomen of the patient. Yeah. And that to the pelvis. Okay. And the other pillow, we'll put the other pillow here inside. Before doing this procedure, make sure to tell the nurse if the patient is okay with the consent of the prone position because mostly of the prone position is not recommended, but it can be used in a short period of time and it is not used for the long period of time because it can cause pressure in the ulcer and it can cause strain in the muscle. So make sure that the patient is comfortable in the position. So now we will now proceed to the Sims position in which the patient is slightly lateral position but the right foot is in the lateral, and then we will now put the pillow here in the foot of the patient in which the right foot is bent. Next, the pillow here in the right arm of the patient. Okay. That. So this is the Sims position. It promotes good posture and good blood flow and good breathing pattern. Okay. And so now we will do the transferring of the patient superiorly in the bed. So there is a bed sheet, so we will be rolling up. And then make sure the both of the feet is the lateral position because in the feet we will gain gravity, so that the gravity will gain strength. And then we bend a little bit so that we will have a balance, so that when we transfer the patient, we will have a full range of motion. Okay. In the count of 3, we will lift the patient in the pillow. In 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good. Okay, good. Okay, that is now. Now is that is the balance. So now we will do the coordinate movement. we will leave the patient in the lateral position here in my side. So I want you I will do the patient transferring towards me. I will lift the both of the foot of the patient and the head. Make sure the head is not is secured because it's important. Okay. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, now we will now proceed now to transferring of the patient. Make sure we have a belt to secure the security of the patient, and so that we will have a better transferring when doing this procedure. And make sure that the patient is comfortable, and we will wait for a minute, then tell the patient if he feels dizziness or comfortable. Is it okay for you, sir, to transfer? Do you feel any dizziness or any discomfort? No? Okay. Now we will put the belt around the belly of the patient. And now, make sure that the size of the belt is snug and that very fit. And now we'll be secure our both feet in the both shin of the patient. And then we will count 1, 2, 3, and then we will lift the patient. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then we will move the patient in the wheelchair. Then we will move the patient in the wheelchair slowly. Okay. Make sure the both buttocks of the patient is aligned and is a midline, because it can cause irritation to the patient and discomfort, and it can cause ulcer pressure and restrain muscle. And now we will now, after 5 minutes, we will now transfer the patient back to the bed. So, assuming that the patient is ready, and I will, my both feet are secured, and then I will put in the both sides of shin of the foot of the patient so that it can be locked and it can be less pressure. Okay. So, after count of 3, I will lead the patient. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And now we will deliver the patient in the bed. Okay, and then we will sit in position. Okay. And then we will remove the belt. Okay. Then after that, we will lift now the patient in the bed position. Okay. Good. Then we will fix the bed sheet. Then, assuming that the patient is in the supine position, it is so important because it improves blood circulation and breathing, and it can prevent restrained muscle, and it can prevent ulcer pressure. Okay, now is we are now done in our procedure, and we would like to thank the patient for the cooperation. Thank you, sir, for the cooperation and responsive. And that's it. So that is the transferring and positioning of the patient out of the bed and transferring the patient to the wheelchair. Thank you.